subscribe button, smash that subscribe button. If it's your first time, welcome. So we are getting ready. We're kicking off this vlog. We're here at the bow shop because we have to pick up some bows. Well, I gotta order some bows for Lyra because she starts school in a couple of weeks. We're starting kindergarten, and it's only right that we have custom bows for kindergarten. Oh, are you sad? She's sad because Daddy left his haircut. It's okay. All right, so we picked up the bows. We have the bows ordered. We're getting ready to roll. What? You ready to go?
Hey, man.
Hold on. Where's the computer?
In the backpack.
We at Nana's house.
We're at Nana's house.
We at Nana's house and I'm gonna drive in her. I'm gonna get in her car.
So we made it to Dallas. We are here. What? Here's babe.
What's up?
That scared Ermias.
Well, we made it to Dallas to my mom's house and dropped off the kids for the first time ever.
Oh, hi. This is the vlog. This is Nana. Anytime we talk about Nana, this is Nana.
That's me.
Flawless and beautiful.
Aww.
All the things. So yeah, the kids are here with Nana this weekend. They can't wait. So we made it, y'all. We made it. So I'm getting stuff together.
That is so nice.
What's my birthday present?
Oh God. What's the little puffy?
The little, what do you call this way at the top?
Yeah, what is that?
Oh, what do you call this at the top?
What? Oh, that's the dead cat.
It's like it keeps the wind from blowing in the mic. Okay, y'all. So we're headed to dinner with my sister.
We are from Dallas now, just chilling, and we don't have no kids. But we're about to have one, because we still not yet comfortable with
He's
our
too
baby.
little.
And like, he's all right. Like, the thing is, he'll go to sleep when he's ready to go to sleep. And it's no problem. We won't have to rock him or nothing.
So yeah, it's Friday night in Dallas. I was telling Derek before we went to dinner that I'm really ready to, I said to have my life back, but he told me that I don't need to say that I want my life back. I need to say that I need a new life. I'm starting a new life.
You listening, huh?
I always listen. Are we gonna be serious about this whole healthy
I have to.
journey?
Because
Y'all, I've gotten so fluffy. I am so fluffy. Like, I was looking at it when I was in another vlog. I was like, ooh, child. Your girl is fluffy, honey. I thought I seen. Okay, well, anyway, we're about to go in the house and what we about to do?
get Amy's diapers and go back and get them.
Okay.
Come back here and take a bath and lay it down.
Lay it down. Lay it down. Oh, lay it down.
Hey, you back? Hi. You back there? Oh, yeah. Daddy.
Hey.
Hi, Larry.
Yeah.
Well, you got some flowers.
Derek, how was it?
Tell your mama how dinner was. Tell her what you ate.
I ate it. A grilled cheese.
Sweat beach. Is it hot?
It is hot.
How hot is it?
How to feel on you?
heard it wasn't all that anyway.
But anyway, it's almost like when they come out with the second one, it'd be like,
I know. Are y'all excited about bowling?
Yes! This is my cousin Aspen.
Yeah.
Say welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. Remember? It's me. I have a new show. Even if me, I started still. We going bowling.
Huh?
I want to go bowling.
Okay, let's go. You did it. Arias, good job. Oh. It's your turn again.
Push it. I made it the shot! So I had some pins to go. I had 10 pins. And then I had 1 pin left. And then I made it!
Good job.
I did it!
You did. That was so great. Amazing.
I did it!
Are you having fun? Yeah, are you having fun? Good.
I'm beating everyone.
You are?
Guess what?
What?
Remember like the time I was bowling and I made it? Yes!
You did so great. Ready? Go. One more. Oh, wait. So that's my turn. Hold on. Grab your ball. You won again. Go, Lyric. Go, Lyric. Yay, congratulations! Lyric! Congratulations! You won! You won! Oh my gosh! 65 points.
Yes! I
You have to say, yay, Lyric won! Aw, congratulations!
Thank you! Now we're going to go celebrate. Let me see that. Let me see.
hey.
Oh my god, I
All right, guys. So eventually, I'm gonna learn how to put my camera on the charger so that I can vlog on the doggone camera. We have been here in Texas for a few days, and honestly, the shift of working like every day and then switching over to vacation has been stressful, to say the least. So we were supposed to be leaving tomorrow, but because of all the stress and stuff, we're gonna stay until Saturday. Excuse me. We're gonna leave Saturday. So like you saw, we went to the bowling alley today. So we went to the bowling alley today, and that was super fun. We let the kids bowl, and then we went like to the arcade and stuff after that. But that was like the first day of this trip that I felt like, oh yeah, I'm on vacation. And like I said, we left Friday, so it's like, and today's Tuesday, so it's like, I told Derek, I said, we just need to start over. Can we just run this back? Like, we just gotta start over. Here. Come here. Okay, so anyway, so today is Thursday. This trip definitely has been like, I'll just say we need a trip without any kids. I'm just glad to actually like reprogram, because just staying in mom mode. Aaron! Oh. Alright, so we're leaving. It is.
Austin. What Austin? Woo!
Okay, I finally remembered to put the camera on the charger.
Okay, you make sure you
So, camera's on the charger. Run down here real quick. Good morning, Aspen.
You gonna be chasing till 1 o'clock today.
Look, it's
Buster.
Are you gonna eat?
Buster.
Are you gonna eat?
Buster.
Buster.
Right here, link in description. Go subscribe and like. Thank you.
What's up? Good morning. Yo, we're going to the water park today. So,
epic.
we're like, whatever with my hair.
What time y'all going to the water park?
We're about to get up and go in a minute.
Come here. Come here.
Aspen.
Eat.
Here, eat.
Aspen, I'm sad. Stop.
Listen, hey to my vlog.
Look at Eric, you wrong for that. Eric, she wrong. She wrong. Get this here right here.
Dad, she called me doing this, eating my
Yeah, I'm talking to you. I'm like, let me get my hand missing this up.
So yeah, guys, we're getting ready to go to the water park. I wish I would have started the video, or I wish I would have started the vlog with the camera, but I didn't.
And we're gonna whole YouTube thing.
And I said, Eric, I'm like, Eric saw the bill for that, you know what I'm saying? You really is, Eric.
What do you mean?
What's up? Miss that been telling me about Eric and be going like that, but I see for myself. She got talent.
Then tell me that how much the camera cost.
1,000.
Look, boy.
Give me a
You do
hug.
it up there, all right?
Are you finally gonna give me a hug? Oh, thank you. I feel so
Bye,
happy.
Aspen.
Bye.
Before we leave, I have to send an email out. I'm gonna do a content boot camp class. I had to think about what it's called. I just came up with it yesterday. So basically, I'm gonna be teaching how to make more bomb content. If this video is live and the content boot camp is still up, which I think it should be, click the link in the description. Snag your spot for the class. It's gonna be lit.
Yay.
Good morning.
Wanna break it down, steal your crown. You said
Going to the water park.
Yay.
Look, I wear my swimsuit.
Yes.
I got everything I need, and I just put on my skirt with it. I put on my skirt with it lit. It's so pretty.
It does. Are you excited?
Every time we make a vlog and I show it, it turns light blue.
What turns light blue?
My dress.
Mm-hmm.
I'm calling a cop on
Yo.
committed murder on the insect.
Okay.
It was third-degree murder. He fatally killed him.
I'm in the truck. I am the truck.
Oh, yucky.
Hey, Taylor.
Yo.
Hey, Trini. Hey, Tristan. Oh my God. Oh my God, I get to sit with John. My video is coming up.
Their video coming up.
Yeah, it's already scratch time.
Okay, so I need to grab some shoes. I'm just picking these up because I lost my shoes. I don't know, but I did. So I'm gonna grab these. Taylor went to go get a head wrap, wave cap, pool cap, and I'm going to grab these. So I found what we were looking for. We got swim trunks, swimsuit, and some flip flops. I don't know which one I'm gonna get, but we're gonna check out so we can go.
Broken future. All the plans you made in your heart grew just to die.
Oh my God, this is my first time. I'm scared to go on the slide.
Now the damage
We're here. There's my water in here.
goods. What happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby?
So we out here at Epic Waters having a blast. I mean, the kids and us, we having fun, and listen, the kid already tore up, so let's go see what they got going on.
A lullaby. Baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you. To you.
As stressful as this has been, these moments right here is definitely worth it. I'm so glad we came. We're having a blast. So much fun.
Doing good so far. Going through water and stuff. Oh, you having fun?
Yeah.
Cool.
You know what's my favorite part of the water park?
What?
The pool.